We're on the lookout for our next Senior Pardot Consultant to join our team at Out in the Clouds. But first, let me show you what working with us is like. We take your career growth seriously, which is why we hold regular lunch and learns. We offer to mentor and create helpful content to make sure you can continue to learn and grow. We are team-centric. We spend time creating and nurturing a culture of kindness and belonging. We're always thinking ahead. We are built to adapt and grow with the changing needs of our clients, and we work to be ahead of the pack. And now, back to the role. Do you thrive on responsibility, producing actionable solutions, and working through complex tasks? If you're as passionate about marketing automation as we are, creating campaigns, working through solutions, automation-driven communication, and personalization at scale, then this is for you. Are you a natural leader and pride yourself around how you monitor projects, participate in team meetings, and lead training sessions? Are you self-sufficient, motivated, and fancy challenges in your work life? Then this is for you. So all in all, we're looking for a natural-born leader. We want someone to come in and complement our existing team and really help us work through exciting, world-leading solutions all around the Pardot tool, and how that's going to help our customers extend their usage, not only across email marketing, but across their all other channels as well, all bringing that through back into the Salesforce platform. If you think that's something that excites you, then this is for you. We'd love to hear from you.